Hey, good day everyone. Today we're gonna assemble this guy right here. And here is all the parts that came in the box. And it came with a whole bunch of fasteners as well. All right, I'm gonna take piece 7, 8, and 10 and put them together with 8 of these. This is piece C. Same for piece 7 as well. We got piece 2 on the ground there. I'm gonna put 2 of these in each side. We'll take 2 of these and put them right there. Just use this, but I put this on its lowest setting. Now we'll go ahead and put these on there. It's just gonna go right down there in those 4 holes. Now I just took piece number 2 and stood it up, and then this is piece number 8. Piece number 7 is gonna go there, and then piece 10 is gonna go down here. I'm gonna take a couple of these now and put them right in here. Okay, now I have piece number 3 here. I'm gonna take and put 2 of these in each of the sides. Now on piece number 3 here, I'm gonna put 5 of these on there. Now we're gonna put piece number 11 on with these ones too, with 3 of these. We'll put 2 of these right on the back side of that. So I'm just gonna take and put this and sandwich it up with that piece there. Now right in the front of this here, we're gonna put 4 of these D screws here. It's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and screw right into there. All right, piece 5 and 6, just set that piece aside there. 5 and 6, we're gonna put 2 of these in the top of each one. I'm gonna put 5 of these on the front of each one. So 5 here and 5 here, 10 total. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and do this step and squeeze it all in with these and fasten it with these A fasteners there, 10 of them. I'm gonna go ahead and do 5 of these on each side, right here and right over there. Next, we're gonna put on piece 12 and 13 like this. And we're gonna use 3 of those, 2 dowels, and 1 D screw. Best way is to take it and put it on like this. You just take it and slide it in over these. Now I'm gonna take this metal piece here, these 4 screws. Here's our piece number 1. I'm gonna go ahead and put 4 of these babies in there. I'm gonna take this and flip it over and put it on top and secure it. Go ahead and put this up underneath there. Comes with an Allen wrench too. Just put it up in there and tighten them both down. Those fasteners just went up through that metal bar and into the bottom board, the top board there, the bottom of the top board. And we're gonna put 4 of these here as well, right in the corner there. Now we go ahead and take this back board here. It's gonna go right here and it's gonna go in with all these little fasteners. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take piece 14 and 15 here and put all the hardware on it. It's the doors. I'll go ahead and put these on. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the hinges on. I'm gonna use these little J fasteners to do it. Okay, for putting these on there, just goes like this. The hinge piece is gonna go down. It's gonna go like that. That way it can fold up flush like that. Now we'll put the handles on it. This litter box enclosure seamlessly integrates into various home decors, transforming a functional necessity into a stylish feature. This double cabinet is for 2 cats. The 2 cabinets hold litter boxes or cat beds for 2 different cats, or both for 1 cat, and one side for a litter box and the other side for a cat bed. This multifunctional cat box enclosure is designed with a spacious countertop and open storage compartment as well, perfect for storing pet food, toys, and other home decor. Overall, very happy with this thing and recommend it. Thanks for watching, everybody.